guys, today I'm going to make a pita bread crust pizza. So let's get toasting. I've got some pita pockets here, and I don't think I've ever tried making pizza with them before, but I tried earlier and it worked out real well. Now see, what you normally do is cut them in half and they open up and you can stuff, you know, lunch meat and stuff and make sandwiches out of them, but they're also just the right size for little pizzas as well. So what I'm going to do there is just put some of this Classico Traditional Pasta Sauce on there, but you could use pizza sauce if you would rather, but any kind of pasta sauce will work for it, and I like this. And I've got some Italian blend shredded cheese here. This is mozzarella cheddar and smoked provolone and massaggio. Although I tasted it and it didn't taste smoked to me, I couldn't taste any smokiness, but it was good tasting cheese, so we'll just get some of that on there. And then I've got some uncured pepperoni here that I found at the grocery outlet. This is a 6-ounce package. I think it was $4.50. Now I used some earlier and I put them on like that, but these pieces are so big, kind of hard to eat that way. So I'm going to cut them up into more bite-sized pieces before I put it on top. I just cut these up with the scissors. It only took 2 pieces. This 10-inch cast iron skillet fits perfectly in my toaster oven, but you could use your little baking tray that comes with it, or use a baking sheet if you wanted to use the big oven. Anyway, I'm going to set my oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll just keep an eye on that. It's been 9 or 10 minutes, so let's see how this looks. I think that's done. I'm going to get it out of there. I sprinkled a little Parmesan cheese on top of this. I'm letting it cool down a little bit before I take a bite. See what the bottom looks like, what the crust looks like. That looks good. I did lightly oil the pan. I don't know if I mentioned that. I tore off a piece to make sure it's cool enough. I hate burning my mouth. Crust seems really flaky. I like that. That makes really good crust. And that uncured pepperoni has good flavor too. I have a little piece cooling down for Annie here. Want to try it, Annie? She has to chew that a little bit. Crunch, crunch. Told you it was crispy crust. Pita bread makes a really good crust. I like that a lot. In fact, I liked everything I used. I'll write everything, all the ingredients in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.